स्वागत है तुम्हारा। आज खेलेंगे मैथ्स का पिटारा, बजाएंगे ट्रायंगल्स के ढोले। मैं हूँ अमित मोदक। वेरी वेलकम टू दिस अमेजिंग सेशन स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग करेंगे क्वेश्चंस ऑन ट्रायंगल्स and its properties. So this would be of your grade 7 and 8 mathematics और बहुत ही अच्छे अच्छे सवाल है. So be ready with your notebook and pen और फिर शुरू हो जाओ. पहले सवाल ये रहा स्क्रीन पर. In the figure given below, find the value of x plus y plus z. इस फिगर को देख के बताओ x, y और z का जो सम होगा वो कितना होगा. ये देखो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन 2016. दिस क्वेश्चन हैज ऑलरेडी कम इन योर 2016 in a one of the renowned competition. So you have to tell what is the value of x plus y plus z. Make the video on pause, solve it in the notebook and just write on the chat box. Okay, so I hope you have got the answer. Let's look into the answer. Yes, 220 is the absolutely correct answer. Very fantastic. So let's see for those who couldn't solve. So you need to find the value of x plus y plus z. Now if we see this triangle ABC and we have a line joining from A to D. Now it is dividing, AD is dividing into two triangles ABD and ADC. Now what we can see here is if we look into this angle A is basically we can say 60 plus 20, that is 80 degree. Angle B is 60 degree. So angle C, that is basically the angle Z, we can say angle Z would be 180 minus 80 plus 60. Why? Because we all know that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 180 minus 80 plus 60, that is 140. So it gives us 40 degree. It means we have got Z as 40 degree. Now what we can see, if Z is 40 and this part is 20, so X is somewhere, angle X is somewhere the exterior angle, right? So I can say that exterior angle of X is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. This is one of the interior opposite. This one is one of the interior opposite. So 20 plus 40 is 60 degree. Similarly, we can say also say that exterior angle of y. For exterior angle y, we can say the sum of this angle and this angle will give the y value. That is 60 plus 60, that is 120. So as per the question, angle x, angle y plus angle z is equal to angle x we have got as 60 plus y is 120 plus 40. So it gives us 120 plus 100, that is 220 degree, and that's why our answer was 220. Alright students, let's move on to the next question. In the given figure AB parallel to CD, find the value of x. You need to find out this value, this x. Solve it. What is going to be the value of x? Once again, I would request to just make it a pause, solve it and get the answer. We'll be looking into the answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's look into the answer. So if your answer is 75 degree, absolutely fine. That's perfect answer. So if you've got 75, very well done. If not, let's look into it. So AB being parallel to CD. AB being parallel to CD. Alright. Now we can see here this angle is 60, this angle is 35. Now this angle, if you want to find out this angle, this I can make it another color. Let's say I'm making it a mark as black. So let's say this is I'm keeping it as a P. So you can see that angle P plus 35 plus 60 degree will make somewhere a straight angle that would be of 180. So angle P would be 180 minus 60 plus 35, that is 95. So it gives us 5, 17, 17 minus 9 is 85 degree. Now to get the value of x, we can also say that this angle 20 degree x and this angle P will be giving us 180 degree being the angles of the triangle, the three angles of the triangle. So to get the x value, what we can do is 180 minus the sum of 20 and 85. So 180 minus 100, 5 degree. So that gives us 75 degree. And that is what we get the right answer as 75. Alright students. So let's move on to the third question. Very good question. Came in the previous year of 2012. In the given figure, how much angle A is being greater than angle B? You have to find how much this angle A is being greater than the B. The figure has been drawn. You can see here ABC is a triangle with AD being a perpendicular line on BC. So find out that how much angle A is being greater than the B. Very easy question. Alright, चलो देखते हैं आंसर इसका क्या है. So yes, 26 degree. If you have got 26 degree, that's absolutely correct answer. So let's see how we can get this 26 degree. Okay. So जैसे कि हम लोग देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे that if I can see this A, B and D, this is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Now 48 we know, 90 we know, B we have to find. That's very simple. We can get B is equal to 180 minus sum of these two angles. That gives us 180 minus 138 degree. So that gives us 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. 42 degree is the B value. B value is 42. Now we have to also find out the A value so that we can get how much A is being greater. Alright. Now you can see here that this reflex angle is being 290 and this one is 48 degree. We can get this angle being a complete angle, being a 360 degree. So if I, let's say I'm making it as a x, so x would be 360 minus 290 plus 48. So 360 minus, this will give us 9 4 13, carry 1, 338. So it gives us 10 minus 8 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 22 degree. Now it's very simple to get this A value. Now we can use the exterior sum also, that this 90 degree being the exterior angle, 90 degree should be the sum of x plus angle A. So angle A would be 90 minus x, that's already we have found x being 22 degree. So it gives us 10 minus 2 is 8, then 8 minus 2 is 68. Now A we have got as 68 and B we have got 42. So what is the difference? Difference we need to find out, right? So 68 degree minus 42 degree, that gives us 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. So 26 degree. And this is how we get 26 degree as being the right answer. Alright students, let's move on to the next one. A tree broken at a height of 6 meter from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 8 meter from the base of the tree. Now what happened? A tree was being there. Okay, a tree is being there. Now it got broken down. Okay, due to the storm, maybe the tree got broken at a height of 6 meter from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 8 meter from the base of the tree. Find the original height of the tree. So very nice question, students. Once again, this question has already come in 2013. So the pattern is same. The data, the number may change. You may get kind of same kind of questions. So always keep on practicing. You know? So hoping that you might be finished. Sing it up. Okay, let's look into the answer. Yes, the right answer is 16. Now you might be thinking how 60? So let's understand this. So as I mentioned that this is a tree and it got broken down, let's say from here. So what you find is something like this. The tree might be looking like this one. Okay. The tree might be looking like this one. So it says that the broken at height. Okay. From the ground it has been found that at 6 meter height it got broken. And the top is touching the ground, top is touching the ground. From there if you see the base of the tree, it's being 8 meter. So what we have to do is find the original height, means what was the total height. All right, so if we take this, if let's say let the height, okay, let the height of tree be, let's say, h. Okay, so if the total height is h, if I am considering this is 6, so obvious this is going to be h minus 6. And if this h minus 6 is going on that side, obvious this is h minus 6. Now what we can see is this is a right angle triangle. So from Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, what we can say is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So what is hypotenuse square? It's being h minus 6 whole square equal to p square, perpendicular, that's 6 square, b square, that's 8 square. So h minus 6 whole square. So it gives us 6 square is 36. 36 plus 64. That gives us 100. Right? It gives us 100. We can say h minus 6 whole square as 100. So 100 is basically 10 square. So if we take the square root on both sides, we can get h minus 6 is equal to 10. So h would be 6 plus 10. That gives 16 meter. That gives 16 meter. Alright. So this is how we get 16 meter being the height of the tree. That's the original height was 16 meter. Let's move on to the next question, students. In the figure, D and E are the points on the side AB, AC of triangle ABC, such that D is being parallel to BC. Now, if angle B is 30 degree, if angle A is 40 degree, find X plus Y plus Z. So we have three angles here, X, Y and Z. That we have to find. Alright. So make a pause and do solve it. Okay, so I'm hoping you all, my lovely students, might have finished because you can solve it. Verbally also we can solve it. Okay, sure. All right, so let's look into the answer. Yes, 250 degrees is the right answer. So those who couldn't do, let's see. So as you can see here, DE being properly given parallel to BC. So you know that X will be equal to the 30 degree being a corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so X value would be 30. Okay. Now, if we look into the triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, okay, that is equal to 180 degree. Now, the C angle is being represented by Y. Now, A and B value we all know. It's 40 plus 30 plus angle Y, let's say. It's being 180. So, angle Y would be very simple, 180 minus 70. That is 110 degree. So y we have got. Now if y is 110, obvious we have D being parallel to BC. So y angle would be equal to Z angle. That's 110. So therefore, what will be the sum of x plus y plus z? That's simply 100. X is 30. X is 30 degree plus 110 degree plus 110. So it becomes 30 plus 220. That gives us 250 degree. And that is what we get, 250 degree. So this is how we are able to solve this question once again. So very fantastic, students. Very, very nice. So let's look into the next question. A man goes 12-meter due east and then 9-meter due north. How far is he from initial position? Now this one I would request everyone to get it solved very quick in your notebook and write the answer in the comment box. Anna? So I want to know the answer of this question from you on the comment box. Okay, students? But before I leave, there's a very, very important information. As you all know that OMM courses are going on, and yes, the level 4 Olympiad Math Mastery course is going to be conducted by me. I will be teaching there, where you can see that lot of highlights being given here, total lectures, your test series, your assignments, video solutions, telegram doubt solving, everything you will be getting just on the price of 7,000 if you apply my coupon code Amit. And all the details are being also given in the description. And this class, basically the classes would be on the 2 days, that's your Friday and Saturday, and it's going to be starting on 6th October. So please hurry up, students. Try to share more with your friends, with your juniors, with your relatives, whoever need is there, whoever want to join this course. Please do share this important information with them. And I am going to tackle with the grade 5 and 6. But this is not only for 5, this is not the OMM course for only 5 and 6. There are more OMM courses for level 5, 6, 7 as per your grades. So for more details, you go on the link, you get into that and go through all the information. And especially for the grade 5 and 6, you can enroll yourself by giving my coupon code, and you will be getting it in a discounted price of 7. Okay, students, so let's see in the next video, and I'm very, very excited to meet you on 6th October. See you there. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.